Okay folks, this is August 23rd and I'm just coming out here this morning to check the plantings, and I wanted to check these cucumbers here. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to check them here because I had an extra long cucumber here I wanted to share with you. We got one right here. You see that thing? Yep. It looks like it's over a foot long, doesn't it? Got another one right here. Got to be approaching 12 inches. Now what's exceptional about this cucumber is it's not from a foreign country. And I found the seed packet that I had from when I planted these out. It's over here by my lawn chair, so let's pick it up here off the ground where I left it. Right here. See these? This is Burpless Beauty. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I gave $3.15 for these over at Tractor Supply. Didn't have time to order seeds off the internet like I normally do. You can see. These are from Burpee. No, they're not from a foreign country. They're not a Chinese cucumber. Not a Armenian cucumber. Or one from Japan, which grow long. These are just a Burpee, Burpless Beauty hybrid cucumber. We're going to walk back up here to the vines, because I'm going to be picking that long one right now. We're going to see how long it is. Now I'm going to struggle to try to video this as well is measure it. So I've got to hold the camera and get out a tape measure so we can video it here right now. So if you all just bear with me a second, I'll get out the tape measure. You can see it right here. Lock it down in place. I'm going to take it up in here. We're going to put it on this cucumber. You can see. I think right there. Yep. A little over 12 inches long. And it's 2 inches in diameter. So it's not huge, not overripe. That's a nice long American hybrid cucumber. Like I said, it didn't come from China, Armenia, Russia, or Japan. It was developed by Burpee. And I don't see much mention of Burpee on the internet or in the gardening channels. But I've been buying seeds from Burpee since I started my gardens and farms back in my early 20s. My daddy bought his seeds from them along with seeds from a few other companies. My granddaddy, he's a big fan of Burpee. Burpee started in 1881. Think about that, people. They didn't start back down in the 90s or in the 2000 period. They've been around a long time. I've always depended on Burpee. for seeds, along with a few other American seed companies that have been around a long time too. Johnny's Selected Seeds is another one that I use for buy seeds for my garden and commercial growing operations. And they have a lot of selections that are geared for commercial market gardeners and farmers. Stokes was another, Gurney's, Henry Fields. But I wanted to give old Burpee a shout out here for this amazing cucumbers we're getting in here. And like I showed in my August update on the 21st, this plant's just loaded with blossoms. So we're going to go ahead and clip off this cucumber, take her on in the house. But I just wanted to try to measure it and video it best I could by myself before I brought it on in. I've got a couple more in the house. You can see we're going to have quite a few more here as we search on in here. And there's another one right there hiding. Oh my. And there's a 12-incher or more. And there's so many more on in here. Here's another one down here. And like I say, the amazing part about this, people, if you don't got to buy those exotic varieties from China, Armenia, or Russia, there are American varieties right here, developed in America for our growing areas, that you can also get that will do similar. Now, I have grown Armenian and English cucumbers and Japanese in the past, but why do it any longer when I can get results like this from an American hybrid from a very old American seed company? And that's Burpee. You might want to check them out sometime. They have an excellent website, a lot of useful tips and advice, hundreds upon hundreds of seed varieties that are proven to grow in America. You don't got to experiment with them. Burpee's taking care of all that for you. We're going to go ahead and clip off that cucumber here, and probably looks like about another half a dozen or more. Take them on in the house. Just wanted to share that with you here on August 23rd down here at Deep South Bama. Till next time, y'all, take care. Stay safe out there. God bless you and yours. Bye.